What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best business that you're supposed to start online in 2019. So the best online business. So I'm going to give you guys some tips that I see that's trending and that you can start, because right now online is very evergreen. It's not like before where it's hard for you to start a business, right? There are so many different things out there. And in order for you to get involved with something, you have to just look and see what's going on and just jump right in, right? So there's so many different things out there, but these are what is profitable today, right? So especially in 2019, you guys are gonna know the best online business to start, all right? So the first thing that you could do, you could start what we call Shopify. So this is e-commerce. If you don't know what e-commerce or Shopify is, right? So basically, you're selling items on a platform. So this is a platform right here, and they do like a 14-day trial, right? So you can sell t-shirts, you can sell hats, right? You could sell watches, right? You could sell shoes, right? So basically anything. And most people, what they do, they get products from either drop shippers that are in the US or over in China, right? So you could drop ship from anywhere, right? So there's tons of different places that you can go. You can go on Alibaba Express, you can go on Google, and there's going to be a ton of different products that you can sell, right? So I don't know what kind of niche you want to go into, right? So maybe you want to sell clothes, right? You will type in drop shipping clothing on Google. So if, let's say you're trying to, drop shipping suppliers in US, right? USA clothing, right? So you could type that in, right? So as you can see, well, drop shipping came up first, right? So this is wholesalers, drop shippers, right? So as you can see, these are ads. So people are looking for world larger bulk clothing, right? So if you're looking for bulk clothing, of course, this is drop shipping. So as you can see, offers drop shipping, right? So you can come on here and you could see what they have to sell. So if you want to sell clothing, maybe you want to go into, let's say, female dresses, right? You want to go in dresses and you want to start to sell these things, right? You could just come here and just pick out. Now, if you want to start to drop ship, you always want to come down to the bottom, right? And they always have some information down here that you can, click on, and you could sign up and get involved with what's going on, right? So there's tons of ways how to drop ship, right? So all you got to do is just check it out and just start your business right away. So the next thing after drop shipping, number 2, right? You can sell like online courses. What if you're passionate and you love something and you want to, put it out there? Because people think that, oh, I'm not good at anything. I cannot write, I can't write an ebook, or I can't do this. I'm telling you, each and every one of us has a gift. So while you have it, use it, right? So maybe there's, you've been working for a specific, job for so long, and you want to write an ebook about it, right? You want to share your story, or you want to write an ebook, you want to create software, all that type of stuff. You could do that, right? And then you could go and upload it here on udemy.com, right? So you can sell your courses, and maybe you're good at computer, maybe you're good at typing, and you want to put your service on here. So you can create course and just put it on here. Now, do keep in mind that Udemy is going to take, of course, a percentage, because you're using their platform to leverage and to advertise. So do be mindful of that as well, all right? So make sure that you check that out. So the third thing you could do, start a YouTube channel. Many people out there said, well, I'm not good on camera, and I'm not this, or I wasn't good on camera. I'm still not good on camera, right? Well, guess what? I start. If you don't start, you're not going to get anywhere, right? So you got to jump in. Instead of you tippy toes, just jump right in, right? Jump in and just start. Make mistakes as you go along. You will correct them, and don't worry, because guess what? I don't care what people have to say, and I'm sure people don't care what I have to say. So if you're going to worry about how many followers you're going to have, how many, well, I don't have that amount of followers, it's okay. Just start, put content out there, create something that you're passionate about, build a channel and do something that you love, because if you're passionate and you love something, you're going to keep going at it. And if you want to create YouTube videos without putting your camera on, put your face on the camera, there's a tool that's called zoom.com or ringcentralmeeting.com, or you can use Screenomatic to create your videos, or you could, where you don't have to show your face on it, and you can still provide value, put it out there and just use it, right? So 2019, you have to put yourself out there. Get out of your comfort zone. If you want to get different results, you got to do different things. You can't be doing the same things and expect different results, all right? The fourth thing you can do, you can write a blog, right? Now, Wix.com is a great place that you can create a blog, right? I don't think they charge, I think it's free. Yeah, I do think Wix is free to a certain point. Of course, if you want to get all the fancy stuff, yes, it will cost you money. So it is free. You can start a blog for free, right? Write something about what you love, create a blog, and then you could go to Google AdSense, right? And then allow Google to start advertising on your blog. So that way you can earn some money from your blog. You have to be consistent with a blog. You have to consist with a YouTube channel. It's just like anything, right? So if your goal is to, all right, in 2019, I need to create one blog a week, make sure you do that. Or every 2 days or every day, whatever it is, make sure you set your goals, all right? So the next thing you could do is affiliate marketing, good old affiliate marketing, right? Sign up for Amazon Associates. Why not? Sign up for Amazon Associates and just do advertising for them, right? So you can take your links. One, you can put them on your YouTube channel. Two, you can put your links on a blog, right? Now, I'm not going to say that, hey, you're going to start your blog and it's going to blow up right away. Just like when I started my YouTube channel, just when I started my blog, right? Just like anything in life, everything takes time. But 2019 is going to be some of you guys' breakthrough. This is going to be the year for you. But the thing is, the only way you can make this happen, unless you step out of your comfort zone and just do something. It's not just going to happen magically, all right? So those are like the five things that I think that's going to be booming. They're still booming, and they're not going to die for now. This is what's taking place. These are some of the best online businesses that you can start in 2019. So you just got to go out there and crush it, right? And if you guys want to learn more about how you can leverage the online space and learn how you could be a master at affiliate marketing, or if you want to create your own online business itself, check out the first link down below and see what I have to offer, all right? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and show me some love, all right? Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. Peace.